You might be using WordPress.com for your blogs, so how do we schedule a post here? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday programs to make life just that little bit easier. So here we are in my WordPress.com site, and you can see if you've seen last week's video with WordPress.org, it's very similar. So all I've done is I've created a new post, I've given it a title so there's something to save, and you can see again if we look in the top row that we've got save draft, then I've got the view option, and I've still got publish, and I am viewing my settings pane here on the right hand side. So because I'm in the next block down, I'm automatically on the block tab. I want to click on the post tab, which is to the left, and here we can see the summary, visibility is public, which is what we want, and there is our publish option with immediately. Simply click on the word immediately and up will pop the time. So choose your time. I'm going to say let's say 9:15. Make sure it's AM or PM, the correct one for you. And again, we've got the calendar to be able to choose. You can change the month, the date, and the year. The year is useful if you do need it to go into the next year, or if you're editing it to show it in last year. And what we're going to do is simply choose, so I'm going to say it's going to be Monday the 11th, and all I need to do is to click away. Now if you've realised that you've made a mistake, you can click back on the date. You can click now, which will return it back to immediately, which obviously as a general rule is not what we want. So I'm just going to reset this back to 9:15 on Monday the 11th of March. And click away. You can see we've got the button schedule instead of publish, which means it's all ready to be scheduled when we want. As with the other WordPress option, you can choose to set up the scheduled date and time before you've written anything or after it when it's ready to be published. When you're ready, simply click schedule and you'll see it'll ask you to check the settings, and then you click schedule a second time. I'm going to press cancel because it's obviously not ready to be scheduled and published. If you are wondering if a blog is the right content, online content for you, then click on the link that I will include in the description and in the first pinned comment to take you to a blog post that might help you make that decision. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to be notified as more videos like this become available. I will see you on the next one.